Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on and make a quick video because we have new products launching and I just got my kit in. It sounds a little suspicious, but I just got it in and it has all 7 of the new products inside. So I wanted to go ahead, jump in, and share my first time seeing these products with you guys. So I have not opened the box yet. It just came. My mailman just left. I did cut the box open. That was it. I have not opened it. I'm so excited. I do know the names of the products and I do know that there's 7, but that's it. That's all that I know. So I am so excited. I love our product launches. So, ready? Oh, it's so, like, the box is just beautiful. This is so exciting. Okay. Are you guys looking in there? Okay, so we have 2 new hand creams with this launch. This is Sweet and Seedless, which is juicy watermelon. Look how pretty that is. The theme for this launch was carnival or like an amusement park type theme. So look how pretty that packaging is. And then the other one here is sugar coated, which is cotton candy. I had a feeling that's what that scent would be. And I don't know if you can see like those really pretty stripes on the side there. These are beautiful. I'm so excited to try these out. I think that's going to be a different video though. And then we've got the sugar-coated cotton candy lip scrub. Yum. It's a beautiful cotton candy pink, of course. And then there's even a sugar-coated lip balm. So you literally can get all 3 of these matching pieces. And they did bring back the thin lip balms, which I am just over the moon about. I know I'm going to have customers who are so excited about this. This is just right up everybody's alley. And then we got 2 more little lip balms for a total of 3. So this one is Sweet and Seedless. So you can have this combo as well. And then this last one is Oh Peaches, which I am super in love with because we have the What's Up Peaches hand cream. So again, you can like make a scent pair out of that. So super excited, but just the fonts and everything on here are so fun. And then last, but certainly not least, this is Absolute Passion Fruit Coconut Oil. And it's so cute. I have not used one of our older coconut oils like this. This one, he is solid. It's like 40 some degrees outside. So, and I just got it from a mailman. But I'm super excited for this. I've heard really good things about it. And I'm just excited to see what all I can do with it and how I can play with it. So I'm gonna have to let this sit, come to room temperature a little bit before I can try it. But I am so excited about all these products. I will make sure to link below. They are all limited edition, so if you want them, make sure that you run out and grab them. Thanks. Bye.